Brought to you by JEGS.
Holley's new iNTECH cold air intakes offer you the ultimate technology, performance, and styling that's available for late model cars, trucks, and SUVs. iNTECH uses a patent-pending, seamless housing design to prevent hot air intrusion while at the same time enhancing the looks of your engine bay. The one-piece intake tube design provides maximum airflow efficiency and supplying the ride with a true fresh air intake charge. Connections between the housing, filter, and intake tube utilizes our unique patent-pending slip seal interface. This seal eliminates the need for traditional hose clamps or special adapters, giving you a clean, seamless installation that anyone can appreciate. We utilize a high-quality, bellows-style silicone coupler at the throttle body connection. This improves the flexibility so you can use it with nitrous plates or throttle body spacers without the need to modify your intake tube. Stainless steel clamps help keep the connection secure under any condition. iNTECH cold air packages include a reusable 4-layer, high-flow dry filter element. Dry media elements don't require the use of filter oils, which can cause damage to your mass airflow sensors and set off those annoying check engine lights. It also eliminates the greasy mess associated with cleaning and servicing of oiled filters. Holley took the headache out of the installation process by utilizing the factory airbox mounting locations to simplify the install. Your engine will breathe easier with an iNTECH cold air intake system from Holley. Thanks for watching.
Brought to you by JEGS. Fast Delivery. Your source for high performance and quality. Delivering performance since 1960. JEGS.com.